Hi, hello there. My name is Delphine. Good afternoon. It has been raining heavily here in Glenfield, Sydney, Australia, and I'm here to tell you the story about my experience about our product. At first, I was hesitant to sign up with unstoppable marketers and also the Fgx Express. And Colin approached me through internet, and we were working together in Singapore. And I signed up under Colin Ang, who we signed up under Eng Chu Ko, which is Kojak. Anyway, to make this story short, my doctor told me to gave me a referral to have an X-ray because I have giving a problem with the bottom of my spine and down towards my left leg that I could not walk properly. I could not stand up. There were times that I stood up from bed and I just dropped down on the floor. And if you can see the X-ray, here it is. I don't know if you can see it. The bottom of my spine, there is a space there. Well, anyway, there's a space there which says that, which shows that there's no more tendon or ligament between the vertebrae. So the doctor said if the medication wouldn't remove the the pain for a week and a half, I should have an open operation and change my lowest vertebra to metal, so to avoid it from pinching the nerve line. And so I took the medication a week and a half, and it didn't do anything. The pain was still there. I couldn't do anything. I could not carry my son. I felt very hopeless and helpless at home. I'm so embarrassed to my wife because I'm becoming another like my baby, like our three-boy son that you have to look after, like me. I'm like that now. But well, to cut the story shorter, after a week and a half time, medication didn't work, and Colin Ang said that why don't you join us legitimately and sign up for Fgx Express, and I did. And so I didn't see my name in the charts, and Ang said, Colin said, sign with Fgx and I will put your name there on the charts. So I did, and Fgx sent me the power strips, which I doubtedly stared at when I got it here. And now that I got it on my hips, I put it here because it arrived here last Friday, Thursday. It is Monday now. It is Sunday now. Sorry, rather, and like magic, the pain disappeared. The medication from the doctors didn't work at all, but the power strip worked. And even my sister is having back pains too. Mind you, I am already 68 years old now. My sister is 66, and my other sister is 61. We're all line of 6. And anyway, my sister says she got a pain, so I told her that I'm going down there to your place in about 15 minutes time, and I'll give you some medicated strips to relieve your pain, because it worked on me like magic. It just disappeared. The pain just not there at all. Though I still feel feel like tiredness when I stand up too long time. But mind you, I only put the strips there for 2 or 3 days, and it's really working real good, and the pain is disappearing like magic. And my advice, in conclusion, I therefore conclude that sign up with FGX, get your power strips, and get well. Remove that pain around your body because it works. It works on me. If it works on me, it will work on you. God bless you all. Bye.